Are you or people in your organization feeling overwhelmed with their workload? Does everything seem urgently important? Despite our best intentions, life has a way of becoming complicated. People, tasks, responsibilities, deadlines, and even recreation all compete for our attention. The human brain, however, simply does not respond well to the stress of juggling multiple priorities. To-do lists are something that we've turned to time and again to manage our work, and we've always been disappointed. They become daunting, lengthy, nondescript lists of things that we have to do. They fail to give us the full picture of our work, which matters because what you can see, you can manage. That's where personal Kanban excels. Adaptable to all ages and situations, and accessible to all learning styles, personal Kanban allows us to visualize the amount of work that we have, and the way that work is carried out. With that knowledge, we can make better choices with our time. Our minds are like a freeway. With the right amount of traffic, we can go fast, but put too many tasks on it and we slow to a crawl. Personal Kanban displays your workload in real time, so both you, your managers, and teams can intelligently prioritize what needs to get done. Visualize your work and stop starting, start finishing. Apply these two powerful rules of personal Kanban to energize meetings, to guide your professional development, and most of all to deal with the heavy demands of day-to-day life. Get introduced to personal Kanban at our conference session, or dive deeper at our post-conference workshop. At the workshop, you'll design your own unique personal Kanban system, ready for immediate use. We promise a hands-on, interactive, fun-filled day. Click the link for more information and to register while spots are still available. Let personal Kanban be your improvement and get things done engine. Move from overwhelm to purposeful, sustainable pace.